Today we're going to be doing a simulation on diesel generator on board ship. Alright guys, so we're going to start on a dead condition. Alright, dead condition means total blackout. Okay, so you're going to start from turning on the emergency generator. Alright, and then the four auxiliary engines. Okay, so let's turn on our emergency generator. Alright, so to do that, here we have our emergency generator, okay, and we have our emergency generator DO tank. All right, and we can start our generator on manual, auto. All right, so we have our selector switch here, which indicates off for 0, 1 for manual, 2 for auto, okay, and we have our generator breaker here. All right, off and on and disconnected and connected. All right, so we are going to start our generator manually. Okay, so to do that, we select manual mode on our selector switch. Okay, and we turn on our valve. All right, our release valve from our DO tank to emergency generator. Okay, so here we can see our emergency generator local start because we are doing this in manual. Okay, so you can see our starting lever here. We can also see our hand pump, and here you might just want to pump, give it a pressure of at least 38 or 32.8 megapascal. Okay, 36.2 megapascal, that will be fine. All right, so having done that, we then have to start our lever. We pull the lever down, all right, and then our generator comes on. You can see your generator is on. All right, and here disconnected, indicator light for disconnected is on because we haven't engaged the breaker yet. All right, so and we can also see here the breaker is disconnected, so turn on our breaker. All right, we can see supply from emergency switchboard on, connected, on. So that's basically how to turn on the emergency generator. So having simulated that, might just want to put our selector switch on auto in case of blackout, so it will automatically come on, all right, without coming back here to turn it on. Let's go to our emergency switchboard. We can see different equipments that are connected to our emergency switchboard. You can see the steering gear pump too. You can see the emergency air compressor, the bilge pump, right, battery charger, okay, watertight doors and all of that. So all connected to our emergency generators. All right, essential equipment. All right guys, so to turn on our main generators, auxiliary engines, so we can carry out our synchronization process, we have to turn on our starting air system, right, our fuel oil system, cooling water system. All right, so those are the criteria for a smooth run of our generator. So from here we can see different valves, all right, that are supposed to be turned on. You can see for generator 1, diesel generator 2, 3. All right, you can see our air compressors because we are starting with our air system. Okay, so you kindly watch while I turn on all the valves, all right, for our starting air system. After doing this, we come to our control panel, all right, our air system control panel, right, and we can put this on auto. Okay, we can put this 1 on priority 1, Then we can put this on auto here. All right, you can come down, you see that it is feeding, compressor is feeding your system. All right, so we move over to our fuel oil system. Alright guys, so you can clearly see our fuel oil system. You can see the flow of fuel oil into our various generators, DG1, DG2 and DG3. Alright, so we go to the control panel of our fuel oil system. You can put our fuel oil feed pump. You can put this on 1. You can put this on standby. All right, you can also put this on standby. Okay, or we can put this on 1, put this on standby. These are booster pump. Okay, so we have this on auto. All right, so we can see our fuel oil system. You can see the flow of our fuel oil into our various generators. All right, so let's move over to our cooling water system. All right guys, so the same process. Okay, guys, so we move over to our power management system. You can clearly see our emergency generator. This is the breaker for our emergency generator. It's turned on. All right, feeding, giving partial power to the ship. All right, so we can see our diesel generators, 3 auxiliary generators, 1, 2, and 3. They are all open. Nothing is feeding, okay, because they are all turned off. All right guys, so we come to our main switchboard, go to our generator 1. All right, so let's start our generator 1. Okay, so how do we do that? Now we are going to synchronize this on semi-auto mode. All right, we're going to be synchronizing on semi-auto mode. All right guys, so our generator 1 is on. All right, so let's turn on generator 2 and synchronize. All right guys, you can see our generator 2 here has been turned on, but the breaker not closed yet. So we close our breaker for generator 2. All right guys, so we can see we now add our load using our governor. Alright guys, so you can clearly see that our request has been granted. Okay, it has accepted crane. Alright, so we can add another. So we requested for crane 2 and it was granted. Okay, so let's see for our bow thruster. Alright, our request wasn't granted, so we have to turn on our diesel generator 3. Okay, now let us synchronize our diesel generator 3 for that purpose. Alright guys, so we push our selector switch to manual synchronization of our diesel generator 3. So once this gets to Alright guys, so we've synchronized our diesel generator 3 and we are going to add load. Alright, going down too much. Alright guys, so we can see 3 generators have been synchronized and our voucher has been added. Alright, so you can see that the requests have been granted. So that's basically how to synchronize 3 generators. On our next video, we're going to be looking at how to synchronize 3 generators on auto mode. Thanks for watching.